In this lesson, we will learn how to install MySQL on Windows 11. With that, we will also create a sample database. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type MySQL and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, mysql.com. Click on it. Now we have reached the official website. Directly go to the downloads menu. Click on it. Now go below, and here different versions are visible. We will go for the MySQL community downloads. Click on it. Now different community download versions are visible. We will go for MySQL installer for Windows. Click on it. Now here the current version is visible. Go below. Two versions are visible for SQL. We will go for the MSI installer. It's written 32-bit, but this works for both 32-bit as well as 64-bit Windows operating system. I'm having a 64-bit Windows 11, so I'll just click the download button. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the installer file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Choose a setup type. I'll go for custom. After that, click next. Now you need to select products. Under available products, click MySQL servers. After that, click MySQL server. Then click MySQL server 8.0 and select the current version. Here it is. After selecting, just click the arrow. I'll click here and we have dragged it. That is under products to be installed. Do the same for applications. Under Workbench, click MySQL Workbench. So MySQL Workbench is a UI to work with MySQL. We will install it. Click MySQL Workbench 8.0. After that, click here and drag it. Now go to MySQL shell and do the same. Now select this and click drag. Okay, now we have these three products. We will install all of them. For that, click next. Ready to install, click execute. Now these will get installed one by one. Let's wait. The installation is complete. Now click next. Product configuration, ready to configure. Click next. Type and networking is visible. Keep it as default. The port number is 3306 and there is no error. Click next. Authentication method. Here it's written use strong password and it's recommended. So I'll keep it as it is and click next. Here we need to set the password. Here set the password for your MySQL and use your own password. Okay. You need to remember the default user is root. That means the admin. So just click next and remember this password. We will use this later. Click next. Windows service, keep it as it is and click next. Server file permissions, keep it as default. That is yes, grant full access. Your databases will get saved here. Keep it as it is and click next. Apply configuration. You need to click execute. Now let's wait. We have completed the steps and it's written that MySQL installation is successful. Click finish. Click next. Now installation is complete. When I click finish, it will start the workbench as well as shell. Click finish. Here it's visible MySQL workbench as well as your shell. Okay, I'll minimize them. Now we need to set the path before moving further. Go to the location where you installed MySQL. It was in C drive. Program files. Go below. Here it is, MySQL, double click. Go to server. Go to bin and copy this path. Now minimize. Go to start. Type environment variables. Now remember, you need to click edit the system environment variables, that is the following, and click open. Now under advanced, click environment variables. Now under system variables, go to path and double click. Click new and paste the same path. Right click paste. That's it. Click OK. OK. And OK. That's it. Now go to start and verify the installation. After that we will start MySQL. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Type the command MySQL -- version and press enter. The following is visible, that means we successfully installed MySQL. Now let us start MySQL. Type MySQL -u, U is for user. So I hope you remember our default user was root. Okay. -p and press enter. Now when you will press enter, you need to mention the password. P means password. Remember we set the password before. Press enter. Now enter the same password. After entering the password, press enter. And now you can see MySQL version is visible and we have successfully started with MySQL. Now let us see the databases and create a new database. Type show databases, semicolon, and press enter. So these are the default databases provided by MySQL. 4 databases. Okay. Now let us create a new database. Create database is the command to create a database. After that, mention the database name you want to add. So let's say my database name is AmitDB. You can add any name. Press enter. Query OK. One row affected means we successfully created a database. Now how we will verify? We will type the same command, show databases, and press enter. Now you would be wondering how many databases will be visible. It was 4 before, we created one more, so 5 will be visible. Press enter. Here it is. We have created a new database and it is visible. So for a free MySQL tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Let us minimize and go to Workbench. So I told you it is a UI to work with MySQL. Okay, so what you need to do, click here, enter the same password, click save password and click OK. Now MySQL Workbench will open. So this is a UI to work with MySQL. For a free MySQL Workbench tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Also refer to our website Studiopedia for free notes.